So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install Cherish OS 3.5.6 based on Android 12, also known as Android 12.1. So the prerequisites are you should be on MIUI or any custom ROMs you can be, and you need an unlock bootloader, and you need to be having these three files in your internal storage. That is the TWRP for Android 12, Cherish OS, ROM zip, and the firmware part of that ROM 3.13.3.0. So now all you need to do is let me just make it clear. All you need to do is reboot to TWRP by pressing power button, reboot. Keep on pressing your power button so that your phone will reboot to TWRP. So the TWRP is booted. Go to wipe, advanced wipe, select Dalvik add cache and swipe to wipe. Now all you need to do is go to press home, select install, select your ROM zip, don't select anything else, and just swipe to confirm flash. Wait for the ROM to get flashed. So guys, the ROM has flashed successfully. This failed to mount errors can be ignored. So check if there's no errors in the step 1 and step 2. In my case it's flashed properly. So go back, flash the FW part, do not select anything, just swipe to install. Since it's the firmware part, it's going to be getting installed soon. So installation took 5 seconds, failed to mount errors can be ignored again. So go to home, advanced, install recovery RAM disk, select your TWRP file and swipe to install. So these failed to mount errors can be ignored. Go to home, reboot, and reboot your phone into recovery. No was installed is just an error, you can just reboot. So here is it, the TWRP is booted. Now go to wipe, format data, type in yes. So done. Now you can reboot the system. So if you get an error like no was installed, it can be ignored. So let's wait for this ROM to boot. So here it is, the ROM is booted. Welcome to your Pixel. Let me just set up. So this is how the ROM looks like. This ROM is based on Android 12.1. About phone, you can see the Android version is 12L.